Hey everyone, welcome back to our Flutter Banking App tutorial series. In today's episode, we're going to build a beautiful account page with a modern UI design. This account page will feature a user profile section, spending overview with progress bars, an invite friends card, and a menu list with navigation options. So let's dive right in. First, we need to update our bottom navigation bar to include the account option. Open your bottom navbar.dart file. We're going to make 3 changes. Change account to analytics with a bar chart icon. Change apply to cards with a credit card icon. Change more to account with a person icon. Next, let's add the route for our account page. Open main.dart and add the import for account page at the top. Then add the route in the routes map. We'll map /account to the account page widget. Now open homescreen.dart and update the navigation handler. In the onItem tapped method, case 4 should now navigate to the account page using navigator.pushNamed context/account. Great! Our navigation is all set up. Now let's create our account page. Create a new file called accountpage.dart and add the necessary imports: Flutter material, Firebase Auth, Cloud Firestore, and our custom bottom nav bar. First, we'll define our color constants, primary blue and secondary blue. These will be used throughout our page. We'll create a stateful widget called Account Page. This needs to be stateful because we're managing the selected index for the bottom navigation bar. In the state class, we initialize selected index to 4 because the account tab is at index 4. The onItem tap method handles navigation between pages. Case 0 goes to home. Case 2 opens the QR payment page, and Case 4 keeps us on the account page. Cases 1 and 3 are placeholders for analytics and cards pages we'll build later. In the build method, we return a scaffold with a light gray background. We include our custom bottom navigation bar, the floating action button for QR scanning, and the main content widget. Now let's build the account page content widget. This is a stateless widget that fetches user data from Firebase. The fetchUserData method gets the current user from Firebase Auth. If there's no user, it returns null. Otherwise, it fetches the user document from Firestore using the user's UID. We use a future builder to handle the async data fetching. While loading, we show a circular progress indicator with our primary blue color. Once the data loads, we extract the user's name with a fallback to user if the name field doesn't exist. Then we build the scrollable content with all our sections. The build header method creates our page header with the title and grid icon button. We use a container with padding and a row for horizontal layout. The left side shows My Account in bold, large text. The right side has a white container with rounded corners and a subtle shadow containing the grid view icon. This creates a clean, modern header that matches our design. The Build Profile section creates the User Profile area. We start with a circular avatar using a gradient from primary blue to secondary blue. The container has a width and height of 100, uses box-shape.circle, and includes a box shadow for depth. Inside, we place a person icon in white. Below the avatar, we display the user's name in a large, bold font. The name is centered on the screen and uses a professional gray-black color. This creates a simple but elegant profile section. The Build Spending Overview method creates our spending analytics card. This is wrapped in a white container with rounded corners, padding, and a subtle shadow. We show Spending Overview as a gray label followed by the main spending amount in large, bold text. Next to it we show From 20,000s in smaller, lighter text. This is where it gets interesting. We create a multi-segment progress bar using a stack widget. The base layer is a light blue background bar. On top, we add a black segment at 35% width for subscriptions, and a blue segment at 75% width for the total spending. We use fractionally sized box to make the bars responsive and proportional. Below the progress bar, we display two categories, subscription and friend and family. Each has a colored circle indicator matching the progress bar, followed by the category name and amount. This gives users a clear visual breakdown of their spending. The Build Invite Friends method creates a promotional card with a gradient background from primary blue to secondary blue. We use a row to split the card into two sections. The left side has the text content, and the right side shows an icon. the title, Invite Friends, is displayed in large, bold white text. Below that, we use rich text to create styled text where we can bold specific parts, in this case, the $100 reward amount. On the right, we add a group add icon inside a semi-transparent white container. This creates a nice, frosted glass effect. The entire card has a shadow that gives it depth and makes it stand out from the background. The Build menu list creates our navigation menu with 4 options. It's wrapped in a white container with rounded corners and shadow.
We have 4 menu items: My Account for account details, transaction history;
navigates to the Transactions page, Security Settings for security options, General Settings for app preferences. The Transaction History item actually navigates to the Transactions page when tapped. The others are placeholders for now, but you can add functionality later. Each item is created by the Build Menu Item method. It includes an icon in a colored circle, the menu title, and a forward arrow icon. The icon is placed in a container with a primary blue color at 10% opacity, creating a subtle background. The forward arrow is gray and small, indicating the item is clickable. Between each menu item, we add a thin divider using the Build Divider method. This separates the items visually and creates a cleaner look. And that's it! We've successfully built a beautiful account page for our banking app with a modern UI design. We covered navigation setup, Firebase data fetching, building reusable components, and creating a professional layout with gradients, shadows, and progress bars. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Flutter content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!